People are earning anywhere from $5,000, $10,000, even up to $50,000 per month by publishing simple PDFs on Amazon. And in today's video, I'm reviewing a brand new tool called Trend Hunter AI, which is specifically built to help you jump into this booming opportunity faster than anyone else. If you want to grab the discounted access along with my exclusive bonuses, the link is right below in the description. Make sure you check it out while watching this review so you don't miss out on the savings. Amazon currently pays out over $520 million every single year to ordinary people who upload small, simple, beginner-friendly PDFs. These are not full books, not complicated designs, and not long guides. These are 5 to 10-page PDFs that people are buying by the millions. And what makes Trend Hunter AI so powerful is that it gives you the ability to find the newest trending PDF topics before the rest of the market even notices them. This means you get the advantage of being an early mover, which is the #1 reason some creators are hitting huge monthly income numbers with very little content. Just to give you an idea of the scale, around 1.2 million people buy digital files on Amazon every single day. These buyers are constantly searching for planners, templates, checklists, calendars, habit trackers, study sheets, goal sheets, and thousands of other micro PDFs. Trend Hunter AI scans Amazon's real-time marketplace and shows you exactly what buyers are currently looking for, which topics are starting to trend, what keywords have rising demand, and what niches are about to explode. This is information you normally never get unless you spend hours researching manually, but this tool gives it to you instantly. One of the big reasons people make money fast with this method is timing. Early creators earn 4 to 7 times more because they publish before a topic becomes competitive. Trend Hunter AI removes all the guesswork by telling you which niches have low competition and high demand right now. Instead of struggling to find an idea or wasting time on a topic that already has thousands of competitors, you can focus on what's currently hot and what will be hot very soon. This is why many beginners using tools like this start seeing their first $100 to several $100 days much faster. The advantage is extremely real. If you've been trying to make money online but everything else feels too complicated, too saturated, or too expensive, this is honestly one of the simplest starting points. There's no inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no marketing budget. Amazon handles all the traffic and all the sales. Your only job is to upload simple PDFs that solve small problems for buyers. And since Trend Hunter AI shows you exactly which problems are currently being searched for, the chances of your PDF selling increase dramatically. Another major benefit is that you don't need any special skills. You don't need design experience. You don't need to write long books. You don't need any prior background. You can create simple PDFs in minutes using free tools, and Trend Hunter AI will guide you toward profitable topics instead of wasting hours trying to figure it out on your own. It is truly beginner-friendly, which is what makes it so appealing right now. This software combines real-time trend detection, keyword demand tracking, niche uncovering, and low-competition opportunity alerts in one place. It shows you which topics are rising, which ones are stable, which ones are profitable, and which ones are best for creating quick digital files that can start selling right away. And if you want to get the maximum benefit from this tool, I've included bonus resources that will help you create better PDFs, rank on Amazon faster, and build a portfolio of passive income digital files. You will get all of these bonuses automatically when you use the link in the description. Trend Hunter AI is one of the most practical and profitable tools released on Warrior Plus this year, especially for anyone looking for a low-effort, low-risk way to create new online income streams. If you're serious about tapping into the booming Amazon digital marketplace, this tool gives you every advantage you need. The discount link is in the description below, along with all my exclusive bonuses.